How to increase your business affiliate marketing. Many people starting affiliate marketing often find that it is difficult finding enough traffic for their sites. If you're one of these people, then you're at the right place. This video covers many of those issues, and gives tips that can help streamline your sites, attracting more people and generating more money. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. When using affiliate marketing on your site, always inform your readers of your affiliations. Be upfront about your relationship with the vendor. Failure to disclose that you receive some degree of revenue from the advertisements can often make many customers feel as though you are trying to be dishonest or promote the vendor simply to make a quick buck. Many companies that deal in affiliate marketing want you to have an established website or blog before they allow you to link to them. This will mean that you will need to have many posts, good content, high search engine rankings, and a large following. Then you will be able to link to several companies as an affiliate. Sales have taken a whole new turn with the dawn of affiliate marketing. This allows you to sell without selling face-to-face. You will make a commission from each product sold by your affiliate link. This even allows you to sell when you are not even at home. As stated earlier, many people make these simple mistakes and yet don't even realize it. As long as you avoid them and follow this guide, you will be on your way to building and maintaining a better site, attracting more people, and ultimately making more money. Good luck! Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.